For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're serious about making perfect burgers at home or love hosting BBQs with friends, let me share a tool I've personally used and recommend: the stainless steel adjustable burger press. I host family cookouts often, and I've gone through a few burger tools, but this one made a clear difference the first time I used it. It's crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, which is the same material often used in commercial kitchens. That means it's rust-resistant, durable, and totally safe for food use. I usually just toss it in the dishwasher after a barbecue, no issues so far, and definitely easier than cleaning plastic models I used before. Now here's what really sets it apart: the adjustable design. Most presses give you one size only, which never worked well for me when prepping for both adults and kids. This press, developed with input from German engineers, offers 10 patty thickness settings. Last weekend, I used the thicker setting for beef patties and the thinner one for veggie burgers. Worked perfectly for everyone's preference. It's also very simple to use. Just weigh out your portion, press it in, and you're done. My niece helped me make plant-based patties recently, and she had no trouble at all. That's a bonus, making it fun and easy for both adults and kids to get involved. Another thing I appreciate is the safety edge treatment. Stainless steel can be sharp, but this tool is polished just enough to be safe without losing its precision. And thanks to the non-stick surface, the patties come out cleanly, no tearing, no reshaping, just ready to cook results every time. What's great is it works for more than just beef. I've used it for vegetable mixes and chicken blends too. It keeps everything uniform, which helps when you're grilling or freezing patties for later. And I have to mention, their support is solid. I had a quick question about cleaning and got a helpful reply within a day. Good service gives me more confidence when I buy tools like this, especially for frequent use. So if you're into home cooking or want to level up your burger nights, this is one of those tools I'd confidently vouch for. It's safe, reliable, and makes the whole burger making experience a lot smoother.